Aquarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements. Dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon and nakakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Aquarius. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Aquarius. Mga paparating na energies and messages for Aquarius. Okay. Ano yung mga paparating na energies, messages, mga gabay for Aquarius? Aquarius. Wow, victory, success. For some of you, merong transfer or babiyahe, business trip, or change of location, change of job. Okay? Emperor. Long-term plans, long-term stability. Money is on its way. Okay? Kaperahan. For some of you, you are balancing your situations, your finances. You are managing it well. Okay. Tingnan natin. Yeah. You are excited about the future. You'll be looking forward to it. Okay? May paparating na good news about sa trabaho. Yes, achievement and success, stability and security. When it comes sa inyong pangkabuhayan, okay? Pagdating sa inyong kaperahan, yung iba sa inyo, you have completed your a project or a job well or successfully, okay? This is security in work. Yeah. You will be pursuing your goals. You know what you want, Aquarius. Okay. You are clearing away all things that no longer serves you. Yes. Legacy, finances, kayamanan. About sa family mo. Okay. A sustainable family. Okay. Financial security in the family. Good news. Again, communication. You will be receiving a communication. Okay, or an announcement. It may be through emails or calls or texts or phone calls. Okay. A sudden move. Sudden action. Yeah, for some of you, you need to make a plan also. Strategize about your situation. You will be making plans. Okay? Making plans for your own sake. Tingnan natin. Ano? The Chariot. Page of Pentacles. Okay. Good news about finances. Aquarius. King of Wands, about work and your career. Be confident, okay? You will be confident, okay, when you receive this message. Okay? Creative projects or trabaho, okay? Merong success dyan, merong kaperahan. Okay, you will be victorious in this aspect. Tingnan natin, the Emperor. Okay, the Chariot again. Long-term stability. Merong offer sa'yo, babiyahe, travel. Okay? They need your leadership. Okay? Very good. Two of Pentacles. Yeah, for some of you, there will be invitation or a beginning of a working relationship. Okay? There is a boss, an emperor, a decision maker. Yeah, maybe they will be offering you a job abroad. Okay? Okay? Trabaho, creativity, may kinalaman sa pagbiyahe or movement. Two of Pentacles. Let's see. Tabingi naman to. Two of Pentacles. Wow, the Emperor. Stability of finances and money. Okay, long-term plans. You will be making a decision. Pagpaplano also. Money is on way. Eight of Cups. Good news. You will be receiving news, announcement, or offer from an emperor, from a boss. Okay? Someone na may mataas na katungkulan sa isang organisasyon. Yeah, so it seems parang bagong phase ng buhay mo ito. Okay, new cycle. Okay. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles. You will be taking a new direction when it comes to career, when it comes to money. Yeah. So planning ahead. Good fortune. Yeah. Parang may bagong opportunity awaiting for you. Okay? Magbibigay ito ng chance for you na maka-earn lots of money. Okay? King of Pentacles. Wow. Queen and King of Pentacles. An opportunity for you to earn big money, Aquarius. At trabaho, good news na paparating, an offer. Okay? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Ito yung mga energy na lumalabas para sa inyo. Money, stability, long-term success, structure, biyahe, offer, inflow of money. Okay? Wow. Four of Wands, Eight of Cups. Yes. You will be moving forward to stability. Okay? You are moving on. You know you deserve better. Wow. Oh, Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, because you will be growing your money. Increase of savings, increase of money. Okay? You will be pursuing your goals, your target, your objective, your plans. You want to earn more. Queen of Swords. Tingnan natin. Page of Swords. Again, news. You will be getting news. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, someone is spying or taking knowledge. Or this is you, Aquarius. You are researching. Okay, getting information or getting wisdom about the work. Yeah. You will be overcoming great pains, great challenge in your life. Okay? Ma-overcome mo yun, malalagpasan mo yun. Yeah. Okay? Do not, iwasan mo lang maging heavy thinker or nag-overthink ka. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are overly curious about something. About money. Okay? About the opportunity. Ten of Swords. Yeah. The end of your sufferings. Parang kakasabi ko lang yun. With the Queen of Swords, you will be overcoming pains. You will be overcoming challenges. Embrace new changes in your life. Just avoid heavy thinking or overly thinking about a situation, about your situation. Ten of Pentacles. Let's see. Wow, Ace of Cups. Yes, yaman, kaperahan, support, very overwhelming. You feel good, and your family will be very happy. There will be a legacy sa mga gagawin mo. Okay? You'll be starting a next phase in your life. Yeah, there is an energy of strength, okay, and authority within you. Okay? Hey. Now, you will be having clear thinking about your situation. The Magician, yes. Okay, you are manifesting, you are making things happen. Okay, you are making your dreams come true. Eight of Wands. Yeah, Four of Pentacles, development, pagbabago, pag-uunlad in your finances or money situation. There is news about that. There is stability. You will be receiving it. Yeah. Knight of Cups. An invitation, okay, to you. Offering something, okay? Offering an opportunity. Seven of Swords, we'll see. The Lovers. Yeah. Caution. Be aware about dealing with others, most especially about a relationship, okay? There is a caution. Mag-ingat. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, there is deception. Okay? Yeah, maybe someone is offering you something like a relationship, okay? An intimate relationship. There is a deception in that situation. So, mag-ingat kayo. Okay? Mag-ingat sa pakipag-deal sa mga tao, most especially offering you sa emotional relationship. Okay? It will cause a downfall para sa inyo. Again, Seven of Swords. What is this? And the Lovers. Yeah, Six of Wands. Okay? So, mag-ingat yan. Okay? For some of you, they want to get your attention. Okay? Okay, so be smart sa mga actions, sa mga tao na gusto kang i-win ang inyong emosyon, okay? This is an intimate relationship. Okay, so be careful with that. Okay? There is a deception at play. Okay, theft, magnanakaw. Okay, so be careful. Okay. So, tingnan natin additional message for Aquarius. Guardian Angel. Some higher power protects you from difficulties and misfortunes. Trust your guardian angel. Okay, meron nagpoprotekta sa inyo. Okay? Sa kapahamakan, sa misfortunes, or kung nahihirapan kayo sa situation, merong someone na nagpo-protect sa inyo from danger. Fertility. It's time to think about family, life, and children. Don't sacrifice family for career. One more. Loyalty. True friendship and loyalty are among the most important values. Be loyal to your friends. One more. Additional message from the angel for Aquarius. Additional message for Aquarius. No more complaining. Complaints are affirmations of victimhood, which is never true spiritually. Take back your God-given power by affirming that you have an abundance of choices and freedom. With your increased confidence and assertiveness, watch these positive affirmations blossom into reality. Okay? So, these are the messages for you, Aquarius. Maraming salamat sa inyo. All the best, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!